If you want to avoid this, or find your favorite pants lying in the closet because they have fallen off the hanger, and you do not want to put clothespins because it leaves your clothes marked, in the Aslo Easy channel, we are going to show you how to hang your pants so that they never fall down. It is very easy. We have our pants perfectly stretched. We remove one of the legs up to the point where the crotch begins. Once this is done, we put the other leg inside the hanger and we take it just to where the crotch begins. The other leg we pass it over and lift. It is very easy, and once you have done it, you can shake the pants, move it, and it will never fall down. Another option that is also very good is to buy this type of hangers with 2 clips, and from the bottom of the pants, tie them. The only problem we are going to find is that we do not have enough space in the closet, and this happens. Simply not fit, so we recommend folding the pants in the way we have taught you. That's all for today. Subscribe so you don't miss the interesting videos of the Aslo Easy channel. Thank you very much.